Formula One, as you know, it is about to change, and maybe more than you imagine. Oscar Piastri has revealed that racing could look completely different for fans starting in 2026, with the arrival of new technical regulations that will transform the cars, the engines, and even the way drivers battle for position on track. The next season marks a true new era in F1, smaller and lighter cars, a balanced split between the internal combustion engine and electric power, and the end of DRS, replaced by active aerodynamics. According to Piastri, this will directly change how drivers compete. For the Australian, the key difference will be battery management. This factor, which was already important, will become even more decisive, requiring constant decisions throughout the race. Some drivers may take a more strategic approach, saving energy, while others will risk everything to gain positions on track, creating much more tactical and unpredictable battles. Piastri admits that even he doesn't know exactly how all of this will play out, but he guarantees the show will be different and, above all, fun. After finishing the 2025 season in third place, fighting directly with Lando Norris and Max Verstappen, the McLaren driver believes he arrives more prepared for this new cycle. He says he has matured both on and off the track, learned from mistakes and successes, and achieved results that were only a dream at the start of the season. Now the question remains, will these changes make Formula One better or more complicated for fans? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any F1 news.